Okay, for the month of February, workshops are back. That's every Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern. We do candle by candle analysis of the chart. Current members, non-members, past members, you can all join. Now, if you're a previous member, I have a special offer for you. If you join this workshop, I'm going to give you 2 months of complimentary access to the Discord group, but you must be a previous member. If you join, send me an email so I can verify that you used to be a member, and I'll give you 2 months complimentary access to the Discord group. We do one candle at a time, and I go, and in this case, let's just talk about trend lines. So I'm like, okay, this established a trend line here. Let's watch what happens. So we're just thinking about trend lines here. You go, did it break it? It did not break it. It did not break it. If anything, this is now the third contact point. 1, 2, 3. This looks like a pretty strong trend line. Most likely it's going to attack the high from the morning. So let's watch. It matched it. And now what is happening? What's happening at this moment? At this moment, I would now say, have we went parabolic? Blue candle to blue candle. Have we went parabolic? It's taking this liquidity. So there's 2 things I'm thinking here. 1, is this thing about to launch? Or 2, is this our break-in trade? I'm not going to go into the break-in trade right here, right now, but in our candle-by-candle analysis on the Saturday morning classes, I certainly would. And there, broke the parabolic trend line. And now we broke this primary trend line. So what's happening here? Liquidity grab, shift in market structure, blah, 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 blah. And that's what we will do on the Saturday class, and you will get access to the recordings. So go to microstrader.com and click February workshops if you want to join.